Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing a clean environment and installing Yahoo Finance plus Pandas. Once done, open a Python REPL or script and import Yahoo Finance as if and Pandas as PD. Next, instantiate a ticker object. Use if ticker opl to begin. This immediately gives you access to info and history methods. Make sure your environment can access the internet and that SSL is working. Without network access, the API calls will fail silently. Now fetch a quick snapshot to confirm connectivity. Once you have a ticker, call history with either period or explicit start and end dates to control the range. Use interval to choose granularity, 1D, 1H, 1M. For clean series, set auto adjust equals true and actions equals false so splits and dividends are handled. Then convert the index to a time zone aware data time and drop na n rows. If you need different granularity, resample with Pandas. For bulk symbols, loop tickers or use if. Download for vectorized requests to reduce overhead. Finally, persist your results by writing the data frame to CSV or Parquet so you avoid repeated downloads. For quick checks, plot dfclose with matplotlib to visually validate data. When automating, add simple retries and exponential backoff to handle transient network or rate limit responses. Make sure your Yahoo Finance version is current. Breaking API changes are sometimes fixed upstream. Troubleshooting tip: if history returns empty frames, verify ticker symbol spelling, check system clock and TLS, then retry with if. Download for bulk stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.